Meaning of George Canning.
George Canning.
George Canning.
George Canning.
George Canning. George Canning was a British politician and statesman who lived in the late 18th and early 19th century. He served as Prime Minister of Great Britain for 4 months in 1827 before his death later that year. Canning was known for his pro-business and anti-slavery policies, as well as his support for Catholic emancipation. He was also a skilled orator and diplomat, having negotiated several important treaties during his time in office. Overall, George Canning was an influential figure in British politics during a time of rapid change and turmoil.